How to fix fail to connect to a Windows service error in Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. So if you want to fix fail to connect to a Windows service error in your Windows, then what you need to do is you just need simply search for the services at first. Once you've searched, you need to right click on it, go with Run as Administrator. And after opening your services, you need to find a service which is System Event Notification Service. You need to click on any service and then press S on your keyboard, and it will take you to the S kind of interface. Now here you need to search for System Event Notification Service. Double click on it. Here, go with Stop. Once you've stopped the service, you need to go with the startup type. Make sure that it is automatic, and then you can go with Apply. And after applying, you can start the service. After starting, you can go with OK, and this might fix your problem. Or you can also go with the other service, which is COM plus Event System. So you need to search for COM plus Event System, which is right here. Double click on this service. Do the same with this also. You need to go and stop the service. Do the same with this also. You need to go and stop the service. After stopping the service, you need to go with startup type, select as automatic, go with apply, and then start the service and go with OK. Once you've done this, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your search. Under search, you need to search for command prompt. Go with Run as Administrator, and here you need to click on Yes. And here you need to enter the command, which is NETSH space Winsock space reset. After that, hit the enter. It might take a few seconds. After completing this command, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix failed to connect to a Windows service error in your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.